Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginners series, and this is going to be our video number 25. And here is our question, that is, create a passphrase password generator code in Python that inputs passphrase by user and also includes numbers and special characters in that particular password. So let's see how we can solve this question. And we have solved a similar kind of program in our previous video. So we know we have to use import random module. Let's write import string. Now we know how to use a function, so we'll use def for defining a function, that is generate password will be our function, and we are providing this user input. User input is a parameter, okay, and we'll write password equal to user input dot split. Okay, we'll split the user input. We'll ask the user input from the user, okay, and we'll use random dot shuffle to shuffle our password. Okay, now we have to add random number and special character with the help of our string module. We know how to use it. Password dot append. We'll use the str function, and from the random method we'll use the randint method for our numbers, like from 0 to 9. Okay, after that we have to write append random dot choices string dot punctuation for our special characters. Now we have to add a random uppercase and lowercase letter. Password dot append, we know random dot choices string dot uppercase letter. Okay, here we are adding a random uppercase letter, and same for the lowercase letter. Random dot choices string dot ASCII lowercase. Okay, we'll use return dot join the password. Now we are out of the function. We have to write user input equal to input, enter your passphrase. Let me write it here. Get the passphrase from the user, and after that we'll generate the password with the help of our print function. Your new password is, and we'll call our function, that is generate password, and we have to write it here as well, that is user input, because we are asking the passphrase from the user. That is the reason we have to write the user input as a parameter. So this is going to be our passphrase password generator program. Let's save the file and run the code. Enter your passphrase. So I'll write anonymous. Okay, let's check. Okay, it should be choice, not choices. So let's run the code again. Anonymous hacker. So it is adding the number, special character, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. Let's try again. Afshan. Okay, great. So this is how you can create the passphrase password generator code in Python. Like, you have to provide the passphrase and it will generate a password for you. So this is a very short and simple program for password generator. Please give it a try in your free time and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And yes, make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.